Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Corvette. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto-check vehicle history report. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.